Welcome back. Let's continue factor polynomials. This time we're going to have our special case. And before we start to factor it, let's review. Our special case we learned so far is we have a squared and minus b squared is a plus b in open close parenthesis a minus b. And when we multiply the polynomials, we learned if I have two numbers, a plus b, open close parenthesis squared, we have first squared, next quantity squared, in the middle 2 times a times b. And we also have a minus b, open close parenthesis squared, we have first quantity squared, and it's negative b squared, we have b squared, and in the middle we have 2 times a b, and this is a plus. That are the rules we learned before, and we're going to use them. 100z squared is 10z squared minus w. Now we have two quantity, 10z and w. Therefore, we say open, close, add, subtract. First quantity, next quantity. First quantity and next quantity. We're done. All right, let's look at this one. Could this be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared? Let's check. 4a squared is 2a, open, close, parenthesis squared. Since this is a minus, we're going to write 81 as negative 9, open, close, squared. Now, let's check in the middle. The middle term, is it 2 times first term and times next term? Let's check. 2 times 2a, 4a. 4a times negative 9, negative 36a. Indeed. So it is a form that when we did review is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Therefore, we can write down open, close parenthesis. First term, and next term is negative 9 squared. Now, we're done with this special case. Let us continue. These three questions are same type of question. So first quantity squared, and next quantity, can we find it is a number squared? Let's try. So we have x squared. What number squared is 225? Very good. So we can start to write down open, close, add, subtract. First quantity, next quantity. First quantity and next quantity. We are done. Let's look at our second problem. Remember, can you find a quantity squared? First one is easy, that's x squared. Next one is 4y squared. Now, open, close, add, subtract. First quantity, next quantity. First quantity and the next quantity. We're done. All right, let's try the third problem. Why don't you pause this video, see if you can solve this one all by yourself. Okay, welcome back again. Or maybe you have been here the whole time. Now, when we look at it, we really don't have something that looks so obvious like this question or this question. So why not we factor out a monomial first? Think about what is their common factor. Did you think or did you say it's 12? Okay, let's try 12. If we factor out 12, and we will have 1 minus 4w squared. Good looking, yes. Because I can think of 1 as 1 squared, and I can think of 4w squared as 2w open, close, squared. I'm going to add a bracket here because I still have 12 here. Now, this part goes back to our previous practice. We can say, oh, that's first quantity squared and next quantity squared. So we're going to say add, subtract 1 plus 2w 1 minus 2w. And don't forget, you still have 12 here. Now, you just finished factoring the special cases. Don't leave. We have more practice for you. All right, this goes back to our a plus b, open close parenthesis, is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And another one, we have a minus b, open close parenthesis squared, that is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Let's check the first one. First quantity squared, and this is 10 squared, so first one squared. Could the middle be the 2 times first quantity and times next quantity? Check, check. That's right, because 2 times 10 is 20, 20z. Now we can start to write. We say it is first quantity plus next quantity squared. We're done. All right, see if you want to try this problem all by yourself. All right, first quantity squared, and 1 is 1 squared. In the middle, remember, in the middle is a subtraction, so this is negative. All right, and then in the middle we say 2 times first one. Remember here, we're just testing out to see if it works, okay? All right, 2 times 4x, that is 8x. 8x times negative 1, negative 8x. It works. Therefore, we say 4x minus 1 squared. All done. Now, you just completed a new task, which is called factor special products. Happy learning.